essential commodities to these border villages. Union Minister of State for Social Justice and Empowerment Pratima Bhaumik virtually inaugurated the services of Composite Regional Centre for Skill Development, Rehabilitation and Empowerment of Persons with Disability, Divyangjan in Shillong. The program was held at Usosotham Auditorium. The program was attended by Kirmen Shilla, Minister for Department of Social Welfare, Government of Meghalaya, M. Ampreen Lingdo, MLA, East Khasi Hills District, Meghalaya, and senior officials of central and state government. Speaking at the inaugural function, Ms. Bhaumik said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led government is implementing various welfare schemes for persons with disabilities in the country.
For having vote to us is Sri Sampath.
We must do something to ensure that we are able to help children with this disability, because we will never believe that they are people with disability. But when you sit and you see the kind of disability that you have, you will have no choice but to make sure that we do something for them.
We want CRC Shillong to make a difference within itself, in the community, in the eyes of the public, and in history, and produce results that we can be proud of.
With election season fast approaching,